Want to bridge your ApeCoin from Ethereum to Apechain? Here's the only tutorial you need to watch. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. We're using the boingsecurity.eth address in this case. Let's assume we want to bridge 100 ApeCoin. Notice we are on apechain.com, never use any other website for this. Click on Bridge. We got the Pocket Universe extension running in this case, so it does simulate that we are sending over 100 ApeCoin and a bit of ETH for gas. Click Continue. MetaMask is showing us the Apechain bridge send function. See how we've added the Apechain bridge contract as a bookmark previously. Click Confirm. In this case, we're using a Trezor to confirm the transaction. And that's it. Before bridging, we checked the correct URL, the transaction was doing what we expected it to do, and we made sure that we are interacting with the right contract. Another pro tip, don't put all of your ApeCoin in a burner wallet. Stay safe.